Hello, and welcome to class today. I'm Mr. Jerry, your mathematics tutor on this platform. Today, I'm going to be talking about word problems. Now, word problems is a very interesting topic in mathematics. I'll try as much as possible to see how we can actually break this down so that you can actually understand it in a very simple way. Now, what is the meaning of a word problem? Now check that word out perfectly. Word problems. Word problems. Now, there are questions in mathematics that are problems. Now, problems need solution. You need to solve problems. There are problems and there are solutions to those problems. So when you have word problems um, are questions that are asked in English terms, English terminologies, and you're expected as a student to be able to interpret those words that you're seeing in English. You interpret them into mathematics language. That's word problem for you. That's a simple definition of what word problems are. You have English terms that you transform by yourself into mathematical statements, mathematical equations. So we're going to try as much as possible to see some examples concerning word problems, and then we'll try as much as possible to see how we can actually break them down perfectly. Now, but one thing I would like to make very clear concerning word problems is that as a student, you need to try as much as possible to understand the question you're being asked. Yes, that is very important. That is the first step towards breaking down that question. If you understand it, then you will be able to break down the question. Now, there is a link, there is a connection. English, mathematics, there is a connection. So you see how English is very important. So if you don't understand the terms, if you don't understand those words, what they mean, you will not be able to interpret them into a mathematical statement. All right. So you cannot interpret it. And if you will not be able to interpret it, then there will now be a problem. All right. So that's why it's important you don't joke with this particular class. So try as much as possible to see how we can actually break down every question and the mode of questions that actually come out in word problems. Okay.